Welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can log in into Roblox account. So Roblox is a free-to-play game which is available for Android, iOS, PC, Xbox and PlayStation. Alright, so it's a pretty fun game. And you can play across platform as well. And a lot of people played nowadays. And there's two types of Roblox you can log in into. So the first one is going to be the browser version where you go to Robloxcom and log in. The other one is going to be the app version, which is this Roblox, as you guys can see over here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can do it in both one. But before that, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. Let's move on. First step for the browser version, you want to go to Robloxcom. Once you go to Robloxcom over here, wait for some time. Now once you're over here on Robloxcom, you want to click on where it says login at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the login page. Over here you can enter your username or your email or your phone number, whichever thing you find comfortable. So I'm just going to enter my username over here, entering username versus password. Enter the password of your account, enter the password of my account, and click on login. And if the username and password I entered over here is correct, I should be able to log in into my account just like this. Now for the app version, you can open your Roblox app on your desktop, and you can easily download Dropbox from your Microsoft Store. Alright, now once Roblox open up just like this, what you want to do is click on where it says login. If you want to create account, you can click on sign up alright, and enter your username over here. I've already done that and read this password into the password of your account. So I'm going to enter the password of my account over here and click on login. And I should be able to log in into my account, and you can click on forgot password or username at the bottom as well if you forgot your password or username. But that's basically how we guys can log in into a Roblox and both the app and the web version. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe on our channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time.